Hey guys, finally e don happen o. Northerners say dem no gree for dis bill proposing to return of regional system of government in Nigeria. Una know wetin dem dey talk? Dey say President Bola Ahmed Tinubu wants to dismantle the North, so dem no go gree. Dey don reject the bill already when the bill never even reach anywhere. Anyway, dis one e don make Nigerians dey talk. As we progress, you go hear wetin Nigerians don talk, as Northerners don dey talk say dem no dey for dis matter. Welcome back to Prospect Channels TV. Thank you for this coming out here. If you're just joining us, please kindly subscribe. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Abeg, share this video, let it go viral. Let Nigerians understand what is going on in the Nigerian political landscape. Reactions have continued to trail the bill proposing a return to regional government in Nigeria, which is alleged to be before the National Assembly and is expected to pass into law before October 1st, 2024. The part of the draft bill circulating on social media, Nigeria, is titled "A Bill for an Act to Substitute the Answers to Decree 24 of 1999 with a New Governance Model for the Federal Republic of Nigeria." Although the identities of the bills have been, reviewed. The bill, when passed, would be cited as the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, New Governance Model for Nigeria Act 2024. The sponsors of this bill explained that the current Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999, as amended, is not tough enough as it does not involve from deliberations and consensus of the Nigerian people. According to the advocates, the Constitution amendment would be subject to a yes or no vote in a referendum by the people of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The bill partly reads, parliamentaries where Nigerian its people and government have been governed under Decree 24 of 1999 that was handed down by the then military government without the express consent of the people, despite the preamble of "we, the people." Whereas the Nigerian Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999, as amended, is not touches as it does not involve from the deliberations and consensus of the Nigerian people. Whereas the people of Nigeria now desire and effectively demand for a change to a constitution based on federal/regional system of government, where the federal and regional government are to operate within the provisions of the constitution. It is within the discretion of the ethnic blocks within the state that constitutes a given region to aggregate or disaggregate as province, divisions, and districts, while being in control of their affairs without let or hindrance at whatever level of governance. Where the 1999 Constitution has amended is a schedule of a military decree now deemed to be an act of the National Assembly, for which the National Assembly have the powers to amend and or abrogate as expedients, advertisements, whereas the National Assembly were so necessary and expedient can invoke the doctrine of necessity to revoke any point of law for the good governance of the country, Nigeria. On part 2, substitution clause, the drafters propose that the National Assembly shall invoke its inherent powers to expunge the schedule attached to Decree 24 of 1999, often referred to as 1999 Constitution, as amended from the decree, which is now deemed to be an act of the National Assembly, to which the National Assembly have the powers to so do and replace some with a new governance model for Nigeria, effective not later than October 1st, 2024. This amendment is subject to a yes or no vote in a referendum by the people of the Federal Republic of Nigeria it proposed on governance structure. Under Part 3, these stipulations for federal administration, the sponsors propose that 1. Nigeria shall be a federation comprising of regional territories and a federal capital territory, and shall be a republic to be known by the name of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. 2. The territorial jurisdiction of Nigeria shall comprise the territory of the regional members of the federation, and its boundaries shall be as determined by a national agreement. 3.2. Okay, these are what the bills are proposing. Meanwhile, some notable northern social media influencers have vowed not to support the proposed bill. Comrade Abiyo Roni from Jigawa State wrote, "As a northerner, I will never support regional governments for the past 64 years of independence. What does not gain in terms of political, economic, and education developments in every aspect. The North were left behind. Our North region is the most retrogressive region in the country. So let's build North before any regional government." Sariki wrote, "Simply put, I am not against a regional system of government, but this is not the right time for it is for it because the North is at a disadvantage. So get rid of insecurity and return our region to us as you found it. And then we can consider reverting to that system of government." Hama Hayutu, the public analyst, political strategist, wrote, "Tinubu did not promise restructuring Nigeria during the campaigns, but the Nadiko spirit in him will definitely towards that." An unverified kit of bill about regional government is being flown now. Ariwa Twitter wrote, "This Yoruba government wants to dismantle the North logically. These people know exactly what they are doing. Our northern leaders, our northern elders and youths are hungry people. Those that supported APC, they collected APC spaghetti and Tinubu's money, so they cannot say anything." Okay. I think they should ask their leaders why their region is like that. You understand? Why are they not progressing? Their leaders have a lot to answer. You understand? With that, we go dey understand wetin dey happen. I think it's high time everybody or every region or in this government, Nigerians should hold their leaders accountable for whatever is going on in Nigeria. That is how it goes. Make them dey understand, say they go do work. You get. I'm dropping it here, guys. Kindly drop your comment below the comment section. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Share this video, let it go viral. Let Nigerians understand what is going on in the Nigerian political landscape. Thank you for stopping by. Bye for now.